That sudden, sharp pain when you drink cold water is more than just tooth sensitivity. It is a warning sign that bacteria have breached your enamel and are actively destroying your tooth structure. Today, we are using advanced 3D medical animation to reveal the precise process of cavity removal and dental restoration. Most people ignore a minor cavity until it reaches the nerve, but understanding the clinical stages of tooth decay can be the difference between a simple composite filling and an expensive root canal. We are going inside the tooth to show you exactly how dentistry prevents the spread of infection. The progression of a cavity starts when plaque acids dissolve the mineralized surface of the enamel. Once the decay reaches the dentin, the process accelerates because this layer is softer and contains microscopic tubules leading directly to the pulp. In this 3D visualization, you can see how the infection creates a void that compromises the structural integrity of the entire tooth. Before we demonstrate the mechanical removal of decay and the application of a composite filling, please subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to providing high-quality medical visualizations to help you master your oral health and understand complex dental procedures. If you have ever had a difficult experience with tooth restoration, or if you are currently dealing with dental anxiety, leave a comment below and share your history with our community. Your experience helps others feel more confident about their own dental care. Also, send this video to a friend who hasn't seen a dentist in a while. It might be the warning they need to save their smile. The treatment for a cavity involves the precise removal of the decayed tissue using a dental drill. This creates a clean, bacteria-free environment for the restoration. Once the cavity is prepped, a bonding agent is applied to ensure the filling adheres perfectly to the remaining tooth structure. Then, a composite resin, a tooth-colored material, is layered into the cavity and cured with a specialized high-intensity light. This tooth restoration process not only fills the hole, but seals the tooth against further bacterial infiltration. Early intervention is the key to preventing oral surgery and maintaining long-term dental hygiene. By addressing tooth decay in its early stages, you avoid the risk of abscesses and permanent tooth loss. Remember, your oral health is a vital component of your overall physical well-being. Understanding these dental procedures allows you to approach your next dental visit with confidence and clarity. Take care of your teeth and stay tuned for more clinical insights into the world of medicine and dentistry.